Lesson number 21, Networking, Part 2. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the meaning of networking and describe how to access information using local and wide area networks. In lesson number 20, we discussed the purpose, merits, and demerits of networks. We further looked at wired and wireless networks. This lesson is a continuation of lesson number 20. We will focus on network coverage and how to upload and download files on networks. In this world of technology, hardly a day passes without hearing people talking about network coverage. What really does the term network coverage mean? Before you answer the question, let me give you a clue. I'm sure you've seen cell towers in your local area. Cell towers serve the purpose of widening network coverage for mobile network providers. Mobile network providers like MTN and Airtel aim to connect as many people as possible to their networks. Network coverage is the geographic area in which the computer network operates. You should note that network coverage applies to both wired and wireless networks. Based on their coverage, networks can be divided into two groups. These are local area network LAN and wide area network WAN. A local area network covers a small area, for example, an office or company premises. The wide area network covers a large area like the city and so on. Organizations have internal networks, which are usually local area networks. LANs can be connected to the internet, which is an external network. We will discuss more about the internet in the next lesson. There are also instances where an internal network can be a WAN. For example, international companies who have offices in many countries use wide area networks as internal networks. At this moment, let's discuss special computers called servers. A server is a computer that serves information to other computers that are connected to the network. Computers that connect to the server in a network are called clients. The server stores files and provides specialized processing to enable computers connected to the network access, upload, and download files. Wide area networks have servers that perform specialized functions. Networks for organizations use servers that have large capacity to store files for all employees in different departments. These servers keep storage folders for all users. Most people use servers as backup storage for their work files, which they also store on their computers. Nowadays, it is easier to learn about the concept of servers. This is because the latest Windows 10 version comes with an inbuilt special storage server called OneDrive. This is also known as cloud storage. This application can help you to understand how server computers work in terms of uploading, downloading, and as backup storage of files. All computers that run on latest version of Windows 10 operating system are connected to the OneDrive cloud storage server. In most cases, you can only upload files on OneDrive when you are connected to the internet. Note that in this instance, OneDrive is being used as an example to help you understand the concept of how servers work. The following clip shows how you can use the OneDrive server to upload, access, and download files. The clip you have just seen demonstrates how you can upload, view, store, and download files from servers on both local and wide area networks. International organizations like banks and chain stores use internal ones to connect their branches in different countries. They also store confidential information on WANs and the internet using secure connections. Note that you can use special software known as browsers to access, upload, view, and download files from servers online. Revision exercise. A. Explain your understanding of the following terms. X. Network coverage. Y. LAN. Z. WAN. B. Define a server and explain how you can upload, store, and download files from the local server. Summary. In this lesson, you learned that the network coverage is the geographic area in which the computer network operates. You also learned that the two types of network coverage are local and wide area networks, and that servers are special computers that are used on computer networks to store information and serve other computers. Lastly, you learned how to upload, store, and download files on both local and wide area networks.